Doing very well.
Minim say be di Arsenal game no nkomo. Arsenal league no met me age. Anoma bottle no nra.
Oh, let us not jump the gun.
Okay.
Yenko di Arsenal nkomo.
Okay.
What happened last night at the Molineux is more important than what Newcastle money had the Adekoko El Karabakh. Arsenal's game against Wolverhampton Wanderers was huge. Which say Ubisa question say Arsenal about whole league in Udika. But what is true is that Arsenal didn't just drop 2 points and run. You see, the two extremes of the conversation is that Obi Arsenal Nina so believe in Arsenal projects Nepal Bekacho say, oh, BBNC, there is still 5 points as it stands now between Omo and Man City. If there is also somebody that is not a firm believer of their Arsenal, like, you know, and they will point back and say for the last 3 seasons, they be Arsenal this second. They'll tell you that Arsenal Elusu League, you know, and Ranaju. But I am a little bit in between the two extremes. Many Obi Obeka say it wasn't just a drop of points and run a yajere. But also what has been lost by Arsenal and you see and Ranaju is the loss of the margin of error. What am I trying to say? Say who be our margin of error kakra bata. If I say there was 2 million in our accounting. Now, Udis kana Udi 1 million, so 1 million down. So that's your margin of error. BBC, you can follow the 1 million. But since you can't so take ever be 50 series, you know that you don't have a margin of error again. So now at that point, you begin to become extra careful. That's what Arsenal have lost. The margin of error is gone. It is gone. And that is the honest truth to every Arsenal fan in Mikel Arteta. And then it was clear in their faces. And this has not happened just at Molineux, Derby. This has been happening over the last 8 games Arsenal our English Premier League in them. You see, Uche Arsenal matches in January, since January 2026, you start the season now. Rich Oboye against Fulham, Liverpool, Forest, United, Leeds United, Sunderland, Brentford, and Team FN of Wolverhampton Wanderers and Ranacho. And one match should have been the easiest of the lot that Arsenal have played because statistically, Wolves are the weakest team in English Premier League. But Rich, what has happened to Arsenal in the last 8 games? If you look at this data on your border, Rich, 8 games that Arsenal have in the last matches in English Premier League, Washemu 3 pe.
Last 8?
Yes, 8. And this 8 a record in the 2026. You read January, February, you won't see. These are the games Arsenal have played in 2026, and they've won just 3. Rich, in them, there have been 4 draws. 4. A draw against Liverpool, a draw against Nottingham Forest, a draw against Brentford, and a draw against Wolverhampton Wanderers. One major loss was against Manchester United match now, Omolusu Sa match. Which, so we the last 7, Arsenal winning Mienu pe. Just 2 games. Those are the games Arsenal winning in the last 7 matches. So that is why I keep on telling you that for me, it's about the loss of the margin of error. But look at this. Say, make us a margin of error nekwa. Arsenal Nibia or pe Arsenal team actually will ask me that fee. What then is the problem? Because I've seen people say so there's a lack of creativity. But when you look at the Premier League table of teams or creative partner, Rich, almost a third. I think it's Man City, Chelsea, and Arsenal. It's not a problem of creativity. They create from different ways. Or to make creative from set piece, or to make creative from open play, or to make creative from the wide area. They create. It's not a problem of creativity. Which I think that 3 separate cracks. And I can't mama situation a very complex for Arsenal. I'm losing on margin of error.
First one.
First crack is Adia no defending on which is on Achilles heel, which is the defense now. It is beginning to leave them. On defense, no.
That's all man. Be envy.
Yes, but performance-wise,
A dip.
yes. It is not as if Arsenal are conceding loads of goals. Oh. You say they are conceding 3-4, Derby. In fact, if you look at the games I'm talking about, Bakupa against Man United, we conceded 3. But the problem is the manner in which Arsenal are conceding, the time in which they are conceding. So watch the time that Arsenal they score early first. Now wait a game, no. Game no kora no see what you know second 10 ni upon. But what has happened to Arsenal in recent times? Now they are conceding first and they are conceding very late. Manchester United, Arsenal are calling.
Yeah.
Arsenal gets its first one. Then the dying members of the game. Bruno Cunha, 87th minute. Arsenal are in trouble, 3-2. Then Arsenal go away to team friend is Sunderland. Dying members of the game, somewhere in December, Brian Bobe gets the goal, 2-2. Rich, against Aston Villa, Emi Buendia, game no yet there, it's there for everybody to take 1-1. Then Emi Buendia pops up, scores in the 95th minute. Arsenal are in trouble. Rich, you go and look at the Bournemouth game, where they struggled. Most of those games, either Arsenal concede first or they concede very late. So they don't concede so many. But it is the times, it is when, and it is how they concede those goals. Because we all know Arsenal were very good centre backs, so make defending transitions. The fullbacks can go as high as they want to go, but there are spaces in the wide area. Space is nearby. Saliba, Gabrama guys, Okata when you cry, you know that they will defend those balls.
Omabre.
It can be a possibility.
Arsenal do more that. Oh, omutinum.
You see, Rich, sometimes
it's Omabre. Mama mutibenji ni mubie.
Yes. Sometimes Anna is not just the physical fatigue, you know. It can be mental.
Okay.
It can be the mental fatigue that is taking a toll on Arsenal team, you know, clearly. And one Shania in any of them. Because Enra, when the Piero and Capio goal went in, me to one me share Champions League matches nibi. And I mean ya Emmanuel or referee me say, me you know send your man minutes or send him information so I BBA and I'm so okay mate. No say Jack. Na me the me against Arsenal na cha na say Jack. Enfa against for Juma ready enfa. No so there hwa there. Until again me the me Jani Chidi. Then he calls me and tells me offer me na cha. The Wolves goal has scored in. I say, hey.
Me say my main game to be honest with you. Now me Champions League games.
Yeah.
Because Arsenal because Wolves them say there. Me call grand 2 on them too. Me have no grand ko again. Nti me nam media no so na me hu so obi abetro say hey Arsenal. Na Arsenal idie.
Chat na ya to.
Esem ko hwe result no. Me call 2 na hey me can tete na so biem. Against Wolves. As I go draw. That's no problem, no. I don't know.
Which so I told you say it's 3 different cracks. I've told you about the
first
defense and all of that. And the defense specifically, and not because they are conceding so much, but the times which they are conceding. So what does that mean? It means that Arsenal are not controlling games well. You say you bobo on Sana say who concede last minute, it means you are not in control. Who concede very early in the game, it means you are not only football because what's a 2-0? What do? You control the game. Oh, pass it amongst yourself. Oh, your fouls. Game management, their friends, you do it. But when you begin to concede after you score goals and very late, then you have problems to control. So the number 2 is Arsenal's slow slip away of control of games. Rich, for me, the third one is this. Arsenal XG on the night and Wolverhampton XG on the night in it. But the game ended 2-2. Arsenal shot a boy on the night in it, and Wolverhampton on the shot a boy on the night in it. But the game ended 2-2. Arsenal shot on target a boy on the night in it, and then the Wolverhampton on the shot a boy on the night in it.
For the sake of Omomuti radio.
Yeah.
Kofi Stars I walk the board no so no. Osha XGs now. Wolves the near 0.29.
Yeah.
And Arsenal the near 1.86.
Yeah.
Osha shorter. Wolves ball 5.
Yeah.
Arsenal ball 10.
Yes.
On target, Arsenal ball 4.
Yeah.
Wolves ball 2.
Yeah.
You not give me 2-2.
So it means that on the 2 nights.
In terms of ball possession, Arsenal 58%.
Yeah.
Wolves were 42%. Or the about draw.
Yeah. It means that's all compare 2 teams now. Any precision, because precision is different from being efficient. The precision in terms of finishing of chances are Wolves were better. They had lesser chances, they had less quality chances, but they got 2 goals, whilst Arsenal had more, almost twice or thrice or so, but then had less of those chances, had the same goals as Wolverhampton Wanderers. So Rich, I think that the question of Arsenal not having a 20-goal, 30-goal, 40-goal centre forward or striker is also beginning to creep up on them.
Vitor Gokaris.
Gokaris, I think he has like 12 goals or so.
Gabriel Jesus is back.
Yes, but then yesterday they get goal count. But Kai buy a camp he's putting in a good work, and I think that for Arsenal they get the goals from across the team. However, the one personal clinical finisher is beginning to dwindle at Arsenal team.
Anyway,
I mean, for Bukayo Saka, I don't know mom goals they break. He was out for a long time and no buy a goal. But again, where Arsenal getting the goals from in nights when they've had 10 shots at their quality, which for me these are the 3 cracks. They are staring Arsenal in the face. Then you're and he said, Rich, the emotions that are glaring on the Arsenal players' faces in here normal. Oh, you're fine. If these things happen to you in that moment, it will show on you that you're in trouble. But it's about how you manage it. Mikel Arteta can say, or say they need to feel the pain, and that is how they can get out of it. Rich, this weekend, Arsenal won against Tottenham Hotspur. In Kenya, because this is the Tottenham Hotspur forming here. But for me, it is one man who is now in the dugout of Tottenham Hotspur team, the man who mame. I got to do. Their interim manager. You see, Obi Onim Ego Tudobia will tell you that he is a short-term fixer of teams. Juventus recently, he did it over there. When they had gone bottom barrel and Abrantia, your friend Thiago Motta, they brought him. He literally got the Juventus boys believing again. Although he's not a long-term coach, but so a short-term ade, Obi Obi to get the confidence back and believe her. I got to know gives it to teams. And that is where makes that game a huge banana skin. If Arsenal can manage that game on Sunday and then go on into it, they have a good one. Maybe nothing is happening. But for me, the margin of error is gone. And what it means is that Arsenal cannot afford to make any slip-ups again. Still, they are in the lead. Still, they can win the league. But then, no point. Almost making another slip-up. The league is gone. And Mikel Arteta say, one thing I will promise the fans is that we will not finish below 2nd place this season. And that is still very good.
So Arsenal mentally tired, yeah. And you must see gaga. Because I feel the city be more chase.
Yeah.
It is your more season in me. Now they say mentally we are tired. And you both season baby you boko gaga.
Yeah.
So dam bam.
Yeah.
But I feel now we be game pa.
Serious problem.
Because Tottenham now nekobon. Tottenham never go.
Yeah.
Udi agro be call relegation.
New manager bounce.
New manager bounce.
Yeah.
Nini na be you in that game. Hey, Arsenal Kofi. Who dey we na? Me dream one, to be honest with you, Arsenal my dream one.
The margin of error is gone, so they need to start afresh. It's almost started with Tottenham Hotspur. Almost very tricky games against Chelsea, against Man. But which Manchester City will match against Newcastle this weekend. Can go anywhere. It can go anywhere.
Sure.
So Arsenal just need to do their job, focus, and then go back and get a job done. Now, and no BBC say Ebane saying Arsenal can na ebo match. We say match we a match because in the week of the Carabao Cup final.
Okay. Yes,
City there ISN kono boni against Crystal Palace. But Crystal Palace be Conference League and then. It's not team more City. So they'll play that subsequently, but all of them will play. And that is why Arsenal played one game ahead. And now in the Champions League, Newcastle went away to Carabao and did a job. For me, it was always going to happen. Oh, share the teams and Newcastle, tier teams, they show my say. Champions League, they put them in their proper place. And yesterday, Eddie Howe led his charges to be able to do that job nicely. Our branch friend Anthony Gordon got 4 goals in a very, very good game. But this is the story. We said it again.
And here, I want to know interview.
Yeah.
Team are defensively. Watertight.
Yeah.
Inter-team no.
Yeah.
You saw the three. Bodo team three. And no who's gonna in fact James.
First I've never won.
Furniture goes too much.
Papa. Bodo die me de bia me ka wan say o de o person go twa bet now nyim ya de shema bodo match bia over 2.5. Bodo match
Inter-team way three.
Yes, bodo match bia because omo you fearless they will play. Omo no be boy no be bi mabo. And yesterday in Bodo which it means that there are 3 teams in Bodo for na yom hojuma. Omo ye City hojuma, omo ye Atletico de Madrid hojuma, and omo de Internazionale Milan ehun e de aka ho enra. And yesterday according to one of the European forecasts now, in terms of cold and weather condition, that was the coldest place in all of the Champions League venues and they managed to get a job done after doing it against Inter. Now they are in a very, very good place. Now, Club Brugge switched on Bobby against Madrid. Say, Belgium. And Bamba may take over. It was 2-0 in the first half. Second half 2-2. Dying numbers indicating 3-2. And then Zolis Emmanuel 3-3. It means that it is open. Which now only baby I said Wednesday matches need very open for next week. Yes, Bodo Ashe 3-1 there, but the Gusepe means I can be a little bit tricky. Newcastle are true in my opinion. Club Brugge and Atletico de Madrid very, very open for the 2 teams, and we'll see how it was going to go. Also, our matches name. Now, Rich, the Champions League, any Arsenal match in Hong Kong, then to any matches also in the Europa League. Europa League in the you get 100% record.
Oh, okay.
And see, we are going back again.
Brand
any Bologna, Fenerbahce, any Nottingham Forest, Dynamo Zagreb, any Genk, POK, any Celta, Celtic, any Stuttgart, Lille, any your friend is saying Dynamo Zagreb, then Ludogorets, Ferencváros, and of course Panathinaikos, any Victoria Piazza. It should be a very, very exciting set of games. Also, our matches in Minty. My main friends, you are Hanami Mawati for coats, Nene, or Mofanko Fikasi, because Europa League need it. It is always 100% record with us. So we'll give you the quotes now. Wako Fikasi, Mwa Kucha, Senebeya, Ubenya B, Eddie, Rich. My first code I'm dema with you for a BW 3D B1 E4 1C. The second one is BW 3D B1 EFD4. The third one a BW 3D B1 D242. The fourth one a BW 3D B1 C1 D2. Then the last one a BW 3D B1 AECD. Which these are the codes and I'm with you for.
Okay. It has minimum Yankupon so no. Ebeto Greens at the Aguso